Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will cover the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P16E8, which signifies a PGM-FI-Shutter Grille LIN communication error in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding this error is crucial for ensuring that the vehicle's performance and control module, PCM, is functioning properly, as it relies on data communication from several critical components. The loss of this communication can affect various functionalities linked to the shutter grille system. The shutter grille itself is designed to manage airflow, to enhance aerodynamic efficiency, and maintain optimal engine temperature. It operates through the Local Interconnect Network, LIN, which is a communication system for automotive applications. When communication fails, the PCM registers this as DTC P16E8, indicating that vehicle diagnostics must be undertaken to locate and fix the underlying issue. The P16E8 DTC emerges when the PCM, or Performance and Control Module, fails to receive necessary signals from the shutter grille via the Local Interconnect Network, LIN. The shutter grille plays a significant role in optimizing the vehicle's aerodynamics and engine cooling system. It is located at the front of the vehicle and adjusts itself based on speed and engine needs. The communication pathway relies on the LIN system, which enables different components within the vehicle to relay information to one another. This malfunction hampers the proper functioning of not just the shutter grille, but could also impact other systems dependent on this interaction. If the PCM cannot successfully receive these signals, it interprets this as an abnormality and triggers the DTC. Several potential causes can lead to the occurrence of DTC P16E8. First, the shutter grille itself may be defective, hindering its ability to transmit necessary signals via the LIN. Second, there might be damage in the LIN communication pathway, which can include broken wires or loose connections that disrupt the signal flow. Third, the PCM might also be malfunctioning if the module itself is compromised, either due to software or hardware faults. It may not process or recognize the signals correctly. In effect, diagnosing the root cause requires a systematic inspection of the shutter grille and its associated circuits, as well as the PCM, to establish the location of the issue. When DTC P16E8 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest, affecting both the driving experience and vehicle performance. The most immediate indicator is typically a warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction. The failure in the shutter grille can also lead to suboptimal airflow management, which is critical for maintaining engine temperatures and fuel efficiency. Consequently, drivers may experience reduced engine performance, particularly under varying speed conditions. If these symptoms appear, it serves as an important signal to promptly investigate the underlying problem to avoid more severe engine complications later on. Understanding these symptoms is instrumental in ensuring the vehicle's longevity and maintaining performance. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, which ensures that all electronic systems are activated. Following this, it is crucial to wait for a period of 10 seconds. This waiting period allows the onboard systems, particularly the PCM, to fully initialize and check for any immediate issues or DTCs that might be present. Post-initialization, any error codes that arise will be specific to the vehicle's current state, allowing technicians to take informed next steps in the diagnostic process. It's important to perform this step diligently, as it serves as the foundation for further inspections. Next, the external circuit inspection is crucial in diagnosing DTC P16E8. Technicians need to verify the integrity of the power supply, plus B, Local Interconnect Network, LIN, and ground circuits. This involves a thorough examination for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corroded terminals, or loose connections that could negatively impact signal transmission. Each circuit should be checked for continuity to rule out the possibility of an open or shorted circuit. These components interact directly with the PCM and play an essential role in communicating the shutter grille status. Anomalies found in these circuits can directly explain why the PCM may not be receiving the expected signals. Therefore, careful inspection and testing are critical in this troubleshooting phase. The third step involves inspecting the shutter grille itself. Technicians must assess both its physical condition and functionality. Since there is no direct method to test the shutter grille, a visual and functional inspection is required. Look for any signs of obstruction, damage, or operational failure that might prevent the grille from moving as intended. Any findings of abnormalities here can confirm that the grille is not responding properly to commands relayed via the LIN communication network. Given that the grille plays an integral role in managing airflow, a malfunction could directly contribute to the DTC P16E8. These inspections are vital for ensuring proper airflow management in the vehicle's engine performance. Lastly, if all previous inspections indicate normal conditions, the final step is to evaluate the Performance and Control Module, PCM. This is performed to determine if the PCM itself may be malfunctioning. Various diagnostic tools can be utilized to assess the PCM's functionality and ability to process data effectively. Any detected issues at this stage can confirm that there is either a hardware failure or a software glitch within the PCM. Depending on the findings, further steps may include reprogramming or in some cases replacing the PCM altogether. Ensuring the PCM works reliably is essential, as it is the heart of the vehicle's electronic system, orchestrating communication among different components. After completing all necessary repairs associated with DTC P16E8, a thorough verification process is essential to confirm the effectiveness of the service performed. This involves clearing the Diagnostic Trouble Code from the PCM and then retesting the vehicle to ensure that the DTC does not reappear. The vehicle should be operated under various driving conditions to verify that normal functionality has been restored. If the DTC remains absent after thorough testing, then the repairs can be considered successful, confirming that the issue has been effectively addressed. Verification not only ensures driver safety, but also assures that the vehicle operates as intended without further technical malfunctions. In the pursuit of maintaining your Honda Accord and preventing future occurrences of DTC P16E8, regular preventative maintenance is highly recommended. Consistent inspections, particularly focused on key components such as the shutter grille, wiring, and connectors associated with the LIN communication network, can head off potential issues before they lead to significant malfunctions. Technicians should always look for wear and tear, ensuring that all connections remain tight and corrosion-free. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the lifespan of the shutter grille and PCM, but also optimizes overall vehicle performance. Engaging in these practices is an investment in reliability and driving comfort, significantly reducing the risk of unexpected error codes in the future. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P16E8 is vital for ensuring the proper functioning of the Honda Accord's performance systems. This DTC is indicative of failure in communication between the PCM and the shutter grille, a critical component affecting both engine performance and efficiency. An effective diagnostic approach involves a meticulous inspection of associated circuits, components, and ultimately the PCM itself. By following these troubleshooting steps, technicians can pinpoint issues accurately and implement the necessary repairs to restore normal operation. Engaging in preventative maintenance practices will further reduce the likelihood of encountering this DTC in the future, providing an overall enhanced driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.